What's going on, everybody? Finally getting a chance to unbox this thing. It's been sitting in my closet for a while. It's been pretty busy with all the events, summer's ending and whatnot. But here's the Tacoma elite64. Comes in a box like that. And I already, I believe, cut this open. So opening this for the first time, guys. It's pretty nice. You get this little instruction sheet. I guess it tells you where everything goes. Let's get to the car itself. It's not bad. I mean, pretty detailed. Looks like it sits a little bit lower than the main line. I got the main line right here, actually, as you can see. So it looks like you guys can see that. Looks lower, but it looks good though. Tires look a little bit more proportionate. Trying to see if there's any other differences. It is longer. Metal base. Just overall looks bigger, actually, to be honest. The front grill's a little bit bigger as well. These accessories look really delicate, so I don't want to mess with it too much. Instructions are pretty straightforward. Swappable mirrors, I didn't even notice that. But as an example, there's peg holes. Just pegs on. Pretty securely. It's not gonna fall out or anything. So that's kind of nice. Other one just looks like a regular roof rack. Just looks like a clips on like that, it looks like. You got these side pieces that supposedly I'm just gonna dump it, I don't care. Supposedly go on the edge here on the side. Like so, I guess. And you also get bumpers, looks like. So I'm guessing this is removable as well, like, yeah. And then you got this bumper. So you got options for days. Overall, decent. I've heard people complain about paint smudging or issues. Mine seems to be okay. It is a little bit pricey for what it is, but you know, it is what it is. If you like the Tacoma, I would say go for it. Yeah, the bumpers come out pretty easily. So you got, this is, ooh, I like that one. That one's nice. That's interesting as well. You get a spare tire. It's supposed to clip on somewhere, I believe. You can see I kind of have it decked out. So it's got the removable snorkel as well. So the mirror just pops off. It's all one piece. Not sure if the other side pops off, but I don't want to try and risk breaking it. But yeah, really nice, guys. Spare tires on, jerry cans, sorry. Really nice truck. really nice to mess around with. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.